This place is awesome! Ah!
Woohoo! What's he doing?
Buddy found something!
Congratulations! You're today's first treasure hunt winners!
Really?
Ugh, it's so hot.
I know. I feel like a melting ice cream cone.
Even Buddy looks tired.
I think he's complaining about the heat too. Mom, why is it so hot already? The weather report says today might be the hottest day of the summer. I don't think I'm going to survive.
You'll survive, Princess.
Lucky dog. He found the coldest spot in the house. Can we do something fun today?
Actually, I have an idea.
What kind of idea? How would you like to go swimming? At the water park?
That's right.
Best idea ever! First breakfast, then swimming. Can we go now? Not until everyone is ready. I'm already ready.
Really?
Where you go? Okay, almost ready. Got my swimsuit. Got my towel. Hey, Buddy! I think Buddy wants to pack too. Nice try, Buddy. Sunscreen? Check!
Towels?
Check! Water bottles? Check!
Looks like we're almost ready. Excitement level?
100%. To infinity and beyond. Whoa! Look at those slides. They're huge.
Looks like we've arrived.
Let's go. Look at that giant slide. Come on, I can't wait. This place is awesome.
Remember, stay together and be careful.
We will. Can we ride that one first?
That's really tall.
Which makes it really fun.
Ready?
Ready.
Woohoo!
That was amazing. can't catch me. Lily, look up. That was awesome!
Here come the waves.
This feels like the ocean. Hold on tight. I think Buddy likes the waves too.
This is way better than staying home.
Best summer day ever.
And we're not done yet.
We're not done yet. What do you mean?
I heard there's a brand new attraction opening today.
Really? A giant adventure zone. Let's go see it. Let's go see it. Wow, this place is incredible. It really looks like a lost island.
This adventure zone just opened today.
It feels like we're explorers. Look, a treasure hunt. A real treasure hunt? I had a feeling you'd want to try it. I don't see anything.
Keep looking. What's he doing?
Buddy found something! To find the next clue, go where pirates once crossed the sea. Pirates?
I think I know where that is.
I don't like this.
It's okay. Just keep walking. Come on, buddy.
Come on!
Wait, there is something down there. Great catch. Another clue.
Yay!
Whoa, it's huge. It looks like a real pirate ship.
It worked.
Open it.
Look, the map leads to Golden Shell Cove.
We're so close. This is it.
Let's start searching.
Wait, I found something. I found it. We did it. Congratulations.
Our treasure hunters did it. Congratulations! You're today's first treasure hunt winners.
Really? Buddy won a medal too.
Now that's an adventure we'll never forget.
It started with a hot summer morning and ended with a treasure. Best summer day ever!